Hi chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make some steamed spinach with coconut milk. So let's check out the ingredients. We have some frozen leaf spinach. You can also use fresh spinach. We have some coconut milk powder. You can also use the can of liquid coconut milk. I have some Tony Chachere, which is optional, some onion powder, some garlic powder, which is also optional, some dry parsley. You can also use fresh parsley. I have some onion, finely chopped, some bell pepper, also finely chopped. I also have some green onions. I use the powder version of the garlic and onion just to enhance my flavors more, and also for the salt since I don't use any salt. And also some fresh minced garlic. So these are all the ingredients you're going to need for this simple recipe. And this will be a side dish that can go with any dish of your choice. So chefs, let's get to the cooking. Let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite onion, the yellow onion or the red onion? The first thing we're going to do is prep all our vegetables. For this recipe, I'm using half of an onion. I love the smell of fresh garlic. Do you use fresh garlic or powdered garlic? Next, I'm preheating about 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice, and I'm preheating it on medium heat. Then I'm going to add all my chopped vegetables, and I'm going to cook them until they are soft and translucent. Let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite cooking oil? We're adding half of the pack of spinach, I'm giving it a quick stir. Once it starts to defrost, we're going to add the remainder of the spinach. Next, we're adding our coconut milk. I don't like to add the powder directly to my food. I usually dilute it with some water. The only difference between the two, the powdered one, you will have to dilute it with some water, and the other one in the can is already liquid, so it's less work. Let me know in the comments below, which coconut milk do you use? The powdered one or the liquid one? Let me know in the comments below if y'all eat spinach or not. I know that some of you do not eat vegetables. I ain't calling no names though. And we're going to add all our dry seasonings. So y'all know how we do. We eyeball our seasonings and we taste as we go. And this is the Cajun style Tony Cheshire, so I'm adding a little spice to the spinach. And like I said, it is optional to add the garlic powder and the onion powder. Let this simmer for a few minutes. As you can see, the coconut milk has steamed down quite a bit, so it can be served right at this moment, and you can just use the sauce to pour over your rice or your potatoes. But I'm going to steam it down just a little bit more because I don't need all that sauce. So we're done, and it smells amazing, y'all. I wish we had smell-o-vision so that everyone can smell the food through their screen. Let's eat, y'all. So we're eating our spinach with some mac and cheese and baked chicken breasts. I got tired of eating the rice, so what would you eat your spinach with? Let me know in the comments below. So I'm telling you, the coconut milk changes everything with the spinach. It has a buttery, creamy flavor to it. It is so good, y'all. And you don't have to eat it with meat. You could just eat it by itself with just your rice or your mac and cheese or whatever. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye, y'all.